He's waving at you. Dude, he's strong. Stop.
He's like digging his legs.
That's good bait.
That's just like the crab you.
Harold just shot the third fish of the day.
Fish don't know me, bro.
Okay, we're gonna get a release on this baby drum we got. G-Pop just got a crab. Oh, nice. Alright, we're gonna get a release on this redfish we got.